Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert your Pinterest business account back to a personal account step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. Type Pinterest.com in the search bar and press enter. Step 3. Click on your profile icon in the top corner. Step 4. Tap on Settings. Step 5. Scroll down and press Convert Account to switch from a business account to a personal account. Step 6. Press Convert Account again to confirm. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is now converted back to a personal profile. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and professional tech guides. See you in the next video.